This is how you create a new customer account on our website, whether it's for a 10-day trial or a new sale. First, head to our website Backend, and you can find that at www.evolutionvn.com/WP-admin and enter your credentials here. By now, somebody would have given you access to the backend. This is what our dashboard looks like. There's a lot of stuff here. My screen might not look exactly like yours. I do have different access. But what you're looking for is on the left side. This tab here that says users, hover over top, hit add new. I will add, try not to touch anything in the back end. You can compromise the website, but chances are when your account was given roles, you would only have access to creating new users. Okay, so once you hit add new, you land on the screen here. This is where you fill in their information. For username, typically, I just use their email. It's something that they won't forget. Nice and simple. Okay, so copy it over to the email field. First name, last name. You can leave the website field blank. If you hit the show password, you'll see a randomly generated password. It is very, very strong. You can also create your own unique password for them, but chances are they're going to change it anyways. So I just leave it as is. Copy that. I leave this checked and their role is subscriber. Go ahead and hit the add new user button. So for the purposes of the customer on the front end, this is all the information they need. They need their login information, their user ID, which is their email address, and then that password, which was that randomly generated password that you saw there. Okay, now we're going to give them access to the actual programs. So first you can search them up by first name and last name or the email that you use for them. Put it in there, hit search users, and you'll see the account that we just created. You can see that their status is free. This is what we're updating right now. So hit add subscription. Change your status to active. So you can see, you're going to pick one of these options. If it's a purchase, you're going to choose one of these. If it's a renewal of their online programs, their annual programs, is one of these. But for chances are, it's going to be the 10-day trial. So click on that. And this is where you get to enter their expiry date, when they lose access to the website. Now, we're pretty flexible here. Typically, I just go date of delivery plus 2 weeks. And that'll work. We can always edit this later on. If it's an ambassador, we can always check on this box right here that says never expires. Of course, we can go in here and delete their account, edit their account as necessary in the future. But that's really it. Scroll to the bottom, hit update user subscription. And for all intents and purposes, that should be it. You've created a new user, whether it's for a 10-day trial or it's a new purchase. Now, one final thing to remember, if it is a 10-day trial converting to a purchase, just make sure to go into users, hit all users, search for their account, hover over their name, hit delete, confirm deletion. And at this point, once you've done that, they should be able to sign up through the registration page or the register page, no problem. The reason we do that is once they register, the computer is looking for, or the website is looking for the email address that they use. if they see that it's already in the system, you're going to have issues. So just a little bug there, but we'll navigate that as time goes on. But for now, that's how we're going to do it. And it's pretty simple. If you have any questions, let me know.